for results. I'm still getting visibility. I forgot that last bit. Hi, I'm Sheetal and I'm the Senior Account Manager at 3P Media in Sri Lanka. And together, let's break down the basics of Google Ads. In today's digital advertising space, Google Ads is your one ticket to reaching your audiences locally and globally. Google Ads is a powerful platform that allows businesses to connect with their audiences through creative and innovative techniques. In a world where consumers live online, being visible is no longer a choice, it is a necessity. Don't miss out on the endless possibilities that Google Ads has to offer. Follow us on our social media channels to learn more about Google Ads through our video series, Breaking Down the Basics. Ready to elevate your business? Let's talk Google Ads. These guys are gonna hate me for this. Okay.